Welcome to my channel. If you're considering selling your home in the bustling Atlanta market, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the entire process, from preparing your home for sale to closing the deal. Let's get started. First, it's essential to understand the Atlanta real estate market. Atlanta is known for its diverse neighborhoods, each offering unique selling points. Areas like Buckhead, Midtown, and East Atlanta Village are particularly popular, each attracting different types of buyers. Knowing your neighborhood's market conditions, including average home prices and time on the market, will help you set realistic expectations and pricing strategies. Preparing your home is crucial for a successful sale. Here are some key steps. Declutter and depersonalize. Remove personal items and excess clutter to make your home more appealing to potential buyers. Make necessary repairs. Fix any obvious issues like leaky faucets, broken windows, or peeling paint. Enhance curb appeal. First impressions matter. Ensure your lawn is well maintained, and consider adding some colorful plants or a fresh coat of paint to your front door. Stage your home. Professional staging can highlight your home's best features. If you prefer DIY, arrange furniture to create inviting, functional spaces. Pricing your home correctly is critical. Overpricing can lead to your home sitting on the market too long, while underpricing can mean losing out on potential profit. Work with a knowledgeable real estate agent who can provide a comparative market analysis, CMA. This report compares your home to similar properties that have recently sold in your area, helping you set a competitive price. Effective marketing is key to attracting buyers. Here's how to get the word out. Professional photos and videos, high-quality images and virtual tours can significantly increase interest in your property. Online listings. List your home on major real estate websites like Zillow, Realtor.com, and the Multiple Listing Service, MLS. Ensure your listing has a compelling description and highlights the best features of your home. Social media. Utilize platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to reach a wider audience. Share engaging posts and ads to showcase your home. Open houses and showings. Host open houses to allow potential buyers to tour your home in person. Your agent can also schedule private showings for serious buyers. Once offers start coming in, it's time to negotiate. Here are some tips. Evaluate each offer. Look beyond the offer price. Consider contingencies, the buyer's financial qualifications, and their proposed closing date. Counter offers. Don't be afraid to make counteroffers to get better terms or a higher price. Be prepared for multiple offers. In a hot market like Atlanta, you might receive multiple offers. Your agent can help you manage this process and choose the best one. Once you've accepted an offer, the closing process begins. Here's what to expect. Home inspection and appraisal. The buyer will likely schedule an inspection and appraisal. Be prepared for negotiations based on these results. Title search and insurance. Ensure there are no legal issues with your property's title. Your closing attorney or title company will handle this. Final walkthrough. The buyer will do a final walkthrough to ensure the property is in the agreed-upon condition. Closing day. Sign the necessary documents to transfer ownership and hand over the keys. Congratulations, you've sold your home. To ensure a smooth sale, keep these tips in mind. Hire a real estate agent. A professional agent can provide valuable insights and handle the complexities of the sale. Be flexible with showings. Make your home available for showings as much as possible to attract more buyers. Stay organized. Keep all your documents and correspondence in one place to streamline the process. Communicate openly. Maintain open communication with your agent and potential buyers to avoid misunderstandings. Selling your home in the Atlanta market can be a rewarding experience with the right preparation and strategy. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights and tips to help you along the way. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more real estate tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your home sale. If you're looking for a knowledgeable seller's agent, feel free to contact me. My information is located in the description info below. I have also included a link to my free wealth of information for sellers book. Thanks again for watching,